Most mornings don't fail because of sleep. They fail because of the alarm. Today, I'm revealing the best smart alarm clock options that wake you gently, track your rest, and sync with your routine. Welcome to my channel. I've tested the top picks, so check the links below and choose smarter mornings. The number 5 product on our list is Fansbe Smart Alarm Clock. Most mornings begin with a harsh beep that feels more like an interruption than a gentle start. That routine changes when your alarm clock becomes part of your environment instead of a shock to it. Designed with dual alarms and the ability to set up to 10 schedules through the app, this smart alarm clock adapts to busy lifestyles. Whether you are managing workdays, workouts, or weekend plans, the ringtone gradually increases in volume, creating a smoother wake-up experience, and you can even choose your favorite FM radio station as the alarm. Now consider nighttime comfort. Adjustable screen brightness and the option to turn the display off completely help create a restful atmosphere without distracting glare. 7 RGB lighting effects add character to your room, functioning as a soft night light with customizable colors and timer settings. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity pairs with dual 5-watt speakers to deliver clear audio for music or hands-free calls, while a 3.5mm AUX input and USB playback expand listening options. Wireless charging supports compatible smartphones, and an additional USB port powers small devices without cluttering your bedside. Compared with basic digital clocks that only offer simple alarms and static displays, this multifunctional design integrates sound, light, charging, and scheduling into one compact unit. The pros are versatile alarm settings, immersive audio, and customizable lighting. The cons are that only one audio mode operates at a time. It suits students, professionals, and families seeking a more organized start to the day. Each sunrise feels less rushed and more intentional when your bedside setup works quietly in your favor. At number 4 is Dekala Alarm Clock. Most alarm clocks shout at you in the dark, but very few actually understand how you want to wake up. That difference becomes clear the moment your bedside display feels alive instead of mechanical. Featuring a vibrant 2.8-inch IPS full-color screen with auto-dimming, this smart alarm clock adapts to room lighting while showcasing playful themes like ninja, spaceman, or night alongside calming sleep animations. It brings personality to your nightstand without overwhelming it. Now think about mornings. With 4 customizable alarms for weekdays, weekends, or full 7-day scheduling, you can tailor your wake-up routine precisely. Each alarm has its own tone and adjustable volume reaching up to 100 decibels, ensuring even heavy sleepers rise on time. The experience feels gradual rather than abrupt. Evenings matter just as much. 10 calming sleep sounds including white noise and gentle nature. Ambiances help create a peaceful transition to rest, while real-time temperature and humidity readings guide you toward a more comfortable environment. Setup stays refreshingly simple with intuitive 3-button control and clear prompts, reducing the frustration often tied to advanced smart clocks. Compared with minimal digital models that only display time and a single alarm, this design integrates sound, animation, and environmental awareness into one compact hub. The pros are vivid display themes, flexible alarm scheduling, and built-in climate monitoring. The cons are reliance on AC power for full functionality. It suits students, families, and anyone wanting a more engaging start and end to their day. Each sunrise feels less abrupt and more thoughtfully welcomed when your bedside companion works in quiet harmony with your routine. The third one on our list is BKDRL Alarm Clock. Waking up should feel like a gentle transition, not a battle against a blaring tone in the dark. That shift begins when your bedside setup does more than just tell time. Designed to personalize your entire sleep and wake routine, this smart alarm clock lets you adjust sound, volume, light color, and brightness directly through the app. Instead of one rigid alarm, you shape a sunrise effect that gradually brightens the room and eases you into the morning. Now consider versatility. This device doubles as a 15-watt fast wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, atmosphere lamp, sleep light, and digital clock all in one compact design. Your phone powers up overnight while soft music streams through built-in audio, keeping your nightstand organized and free from clutter. Lighting flexibility stands out as well. 10 preset color modes are available at a touch, while the app unlocks hundreds more with millions of color combinations. Brightness adjusts smoothly, allowing the lamp to fade in gently at dawn or dim into a calming glow at night. Compared with traditional bedside clocks that only offer basic alarms and static displays, this multifunctional design integrates charging, audio, and customizable lighting into a cohesive experience. The pros are adaptable wake settings, vibrant light options, and convenient wireless charging. The cons are a slightly more complex setup for those unfamiliar with app control. It suits students, professionals, and anyone seeking a more intentional morning routine. When light rises gradually and music replaces harsh beeps, your day begins with clarity and calm rather than resistance. On number 2 is Emerson Alarm Clock. Most people do not realize how much mental clutter comes from resetting a clock after every power outage. That small inconvenience adds up over time. This bedside companion removes that worry instantly with its automatic time-setting system that syncs year, date, and time the moment it is plugged in, even after interruptions. No guessing, no manual resets, just accurate timekeeping when you need it. Now look at daily. Functionality. Bluetooth V 4.1 connectivity allows effortless pairing for streaming music or podcasts, turning a simple alarm clock into a compact audio hub. Digital tuning FM radio with 20 station memories keeps your favorite broadcasts within reach, whether you prefer morning news or relaxing evening music. The 1.4-inch cyan LED display remains clear and easy to read, and dimmer control ensures brightness never feels overwhelming in a dark bedroom. A soft blue nightlight adds subtle visibility without disturbing sleep. Power convenience also matters. The built-in USB output charges your phone overnight, reducing cable clutter and freeing wall outlets. A backup button cell battery preserves time and alarm settings, adding practical reassurance. Compared with modern app-driven smart alarm clocks that emphasize advanced lighting effects and complex controls, this model focuses on reliability, clarity, and straightforward operation while still offering Bluetooth and radio features. The pros are automatic time synchronization, dependable display, and integrated charging. The cons are fewer advanced customization options compared to fully app-based systems. It suits busy professionals, students, and anyone who values simplicity paired with useful connectivity. Each morning begins without technical distractions, allowing you to step into the day with steady rhythm and clear focus. Now moving to the last one is Loftie Alarm Clock. The average person checks their phone before bed and again the moment they wake up, and that tiny habit quietly steals rest from both ends of the night. This bedside device takes a different path. It replaces late-night scrolling with a calming routine and replaces jarring alarms with a gentle transition into morning. The two-phase alarm begins with a soft chime, then gradually builds, easing you out of sleep instead of shocking you awake. That shift alone changes how mornings feel. Built-in sleep sounds at another layer, more than 100 options including white noise, nature tones, and guided meditations are available without subscription, turning your room into a personal wind-down space. It also works as a Bluetooth speaker, so daytime audio stays simple and wire-free. The nightlight feature offers adjustable brightness, and blackout mode keeps the display dark while alarms remain active, perfect for light-sensitive sleepers. Setup requires the app and Wi-Fi at first, yet once configured it can run offline, which means fewer distractions and a cleaner bedside experience. Compared with flashy smart clocks packed with complex lighting effects and constant notifications, this one focuses on sleep health and mindful design. The pros are calming sound variety, thoughtful alarm staging, and reduced phone dependency. The cons are initial setup steps and optional subscription content for expanded features. It suits professionals trying to protect their evenings, students building better routines, and anyone craving a more peaceful bedroom. Each night becomes intentional, and each morning feels like it begins on your terms rather than your phone's. So guys, this was the video about the best smart alarm clock. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.